How to add CapCut widget to home screen on iPhone. So if you want to add the CapCut widget to your iPhone home screen, just like all of this, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to add CapCut widget to your iPhone home screen, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the CapCut app. Now, once you open the CapCut app on your phone, you need to click on the settings icon at the top right. Then on the settings page, locate add widgets and then click on that. Here you have home screen widget and you have lock screen widget. So this depends on your choice. Now, to add widget to your home screen, press and hold the app on your home screen, tap edit screen, tap add button in the bottom left, then add the CapCut widget to your home screen. Then click on add and then hang on. So once you click on add, if this does not work for you, in your own case, or the widget does not come up here, just come here on the home screen, click on CapCut, press and hold it. So once you press and hold the CapCut application, go ahead and click on edit home screen. Then click on edit at top left. Click on add widget. Then here, you want to search for CapCut. Select CapCut. Then select the widget type you want to add to your home screen on CapCut. So in this case, let's say you want to add this retouch or remove background. Then drag this to whatever you want it to be on your home screen. So just drag it. Let's say I want to put it here. Then go ahead and click on done at top right. Once you hit the done button, and next time you want to open the CapCut application, just come here and click on the CapCut widget. And then this is going to open the CapCut straight on your iPhone. You see that? So let's say this CapCut was closed and then open the CapCut. Then it's going to open the CapCut app and your gallery straight from your phone. So that is basically how to add CapCut widget to iPhone home screen. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.